Ready to turn concrete into real profit? Meet the Super Produtiva HP 6.4, the machine that combines cutting-edge technology and raw power to revolutionize your concrete and paver production. With 4 tons of pressure per cycle, this machine delivers stronger, more precise blocks while using less cement. But what truly sets this machine apart is its exclusive vibration system. One vibrator at the base connected to the vibrating table, another on top compacting from above, and this creates a 3D vibration, compacting from all sides simultaneously. That means fewer air bubbles, tighter compression, and superior structural strength in every block or paver you produce. So let's talk production capacity. 6 9cm blocks or 4 14cm blocks per cycle. And here's the best part. The Super Produtiva HP 6.4 is also perfect for producing concrete pavers, which are in high demand for urban paving, sidewalks, driveways, and public space. With this machine, you can diversify your product line, reach new markets, and close bigger contracts. Smart operation, simplified maintenance. This machine is equipped with a semi-automatic side control panel, giving operators more ergonomics, safety, and control over the production flow. The entire cycle runs smoothly with less physical strain on the team. It also features oil-sealed vibrators, which keep the system lubricated during operation and require very little maintenance. That means more durability, fewer downtimes, more consistent production, and that's not all. Drawer agitator with internal paddles keeps the mix loose and evenly distributed, ideal for detailed mold designs. Automatic board injector speeding up the block removal process, storage silo for continuous feed and uninterrupted cycles, heavy-duty frame designed for reliable high-volume operation, and of course, the machine is available in single-phase or 3-phase motor options. To match the power supply at your facility, no extra work, no costly adjustments. If you're ready to invest in real productivity, outstanding quality, and maximum profit per cycle, then the Super Produtiva HP 6.4 is the machine that will take your production to the next level. Did you like what you saw? Here's a great bonus. When you purchase a block making machine from Jarfel Sahara, you receive 2 molds of your choice absolutely free. So you can choose the best way to start making money right away. But that's not all. We also offer a complete in-person training at our headquarters in Brazil. You'll learn everything you need, from how to select the right materials, how to operate and maintain the machine, and even tips on how to sell your concrete blocks and products. And for our international customers, here's how our payment process works. We work with 50% upfront at the time of purchase and the remaining 50% when your machine is ready for shipment. Payments can be made via international wire transfer through Proforma invoice or PayPal. Ensure convenience and security. If you ever come to Brazil, feel free to visit us. We're located at Rodovia Mogi Bertioga, kilometer 61.5, number 1080. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.